To configure a new interface in Optimus that is not yet available, the Interface Configuration Wizard in the Automate tab can be used. I am using SimulationX as an example to demonstrate the necessary steps. You can skip the first pages and continue to select the required software. Optimus will automatically detect installed software versions, and I only need to select them. Afterwards, after the configuration is completed, you will need to restart Optimus to see the changes in the GUI. Once opened, you will see SimulationX as a new interface in the Interfaces section. Now you can already start using the new interface in any of your projects just by clicking on the interface and adding it to the workflow.